Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're tracking a massive winter storm that's currently sweeping across large parts of the United States. From the Midwest to the Northeast, millions are experiencing heavy snowfall, icy conditions, and powerful winds. In some areas, more than a foot of snow has already fallen, causing widespread travel disruptions. Major highways are closed, and thousands of flights have been cancelled, leaving many travelers stranded. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.